Alaikum friends, welcome to Mr. Tech. Huawei has recently launched its very new mid-range smartphone, the Huawei Y9 2019 version in Pakistan. It carries a price tag of 38,000, which honestly I think is too high for a mid-range smartphone. But considering the recent hike in dollar prices and new taxes applied to the smartphone industry, we will see how other manufacturers react to this policy. This phone has the Kirin 710 processor, which is a direct competitor of Snapdragon 660 or 670. It has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory and houses a 6.5-inch 1080p display with a notch. Today we are going to unbox this phone and let's see what comes inside the box.
Opening the box, we are greeted by the phone itself wrapped in a nice plastic cover. Keeping it aside, let's check the contents of the box. Here's a quick start guide in Urdu and English language, followed by a screen protector. It's nice that Huawei bundles all the essentials in the box, including a soft silicone case for the phone. Next up is a standard 3-pin charger, which is sadly a 5V 2A charger. No fast charging here. Charging cable is standard micro USB. So Huawei has not yet moved on to the USB Type-C in its mid-range section, despite of the fact that Huawei was one of the first manufacturers to adopt USB Type-C in its flagship phones. Next up, we have standard earphones in the box. Coming back to the phone, I would say that it looks stunning in this sapphire blue color. It is a mixture of something between blue and green. We haven't seen this type of color in any smartphone before. It also feels a bit heavy in the hand. This might be because of the fact that this phone carries a massive 4000 mAh battery. The phone has been set up and it has facial recognition, which is quite fast. The first thing I notice is that it has a good display with good screen to body ratio, and out of the box it has 52GB of storage available to the user out of the 64GB. Let's open the camera, and I think it has a camera interface straight from the Huawei P20 series. It has all the modes including portrait and very famous night mode Huawei used in P20 series. I will be testing the camera in depth over next few days. Coming to its physical overview, it has 16+2 megapixel camera setup on the back with AI features. Camera is accompanied by a fingerprint sensor which is lightning fast. On the bottom we have 3.5mm headphone jack, so this thing is still alive in mid-range section. We have a single speaker and a micro USB port for data and charging. On the right side we have volume rocker and power button. We have nothing on the top except a microphone. We have SIM card tray on the left side, and it can carry 2 SIMs and a micro SD card at the same time. So that's a nice move from Huawei. I will be doing a camera review and full review of this phone, so please subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell. See you guys in my next video.